didn't make him suddenly perfect or righteous, as if the people of the world could suddenly make God righteous. No, they declared him to be great. They declared him to be righteous. They declared him to be just. Now, the technical word for this declaring or this crediting, a word which may help you or may hinder you, but it's the word that is used mostly in Christian circles, is that God imputes it to you. I know it's not a very helpful word. And a lady said to me this morning, who is a lawyer, she said, there's got to be a better word than imputation. So she said she was going to go home and come up with a better word than imputation. But
I couldn't see the
that God imputes
indicator. I thought
this righteousness.
Yeah.
So imagine you're in the courtroom